Yo guys, it's John from WHADAFUNK, and today I'm going to show you guys the WHADAFUNK Studios 2023 update. So come on in, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. So if you guys don't know, WHADAFUNK is our clothing brand where we create and design, and everything is printed right here at this studio. So I'm going to show you guys the entire studio right now. Right here, we have some awesome things displayed. We got some awesome hats displayed. WHADAFUNK Drippy Funk poster. This right here is actually an all Zoomies store. So when you go to Zoomies, go check it out and look around for that poster. And right here, we have our Funk Fest poster that we created for our event Funk Fest that we did with Second Nature. And if you don't know, look that up as well. And this over here is where we store all of our paints and all of our supplies for screen printing and all of our tools that we need in the studio. Like each shelf has its own thing and own place to be. We got our staple guns, we have rubber bands, screws, pliers, screen printing ink. So recently we switched over. We're doing some plastisol now. Before we were doing mostly water-based and sometimes plastisol, but now we're mostly doing plastisol. So we have all new inks ready to go. And let me show you guys more. Right here, we have our lights. Because if you see, we do a live stream on YouTube every Thursday. So we have it set up, ready to go for us to pop on over, do our live stream every Thursday, 6 p.m. Make sure you tune in if you don't know about that yet. So come on by, let's keep going and see what's going on here. You see the sign? You know what it means. What else do we got here? We have some cool hang tags. These are our hang tags that are stickers, if you guys don't know. If you see these on something, it's a sticker. What else do we got? So right here is our camera that we use for our live stream. If you guys don't know, Logitech Stream Cam, I believe it's called, something like that. But this is our camera that we use. It's really great. And recently, since we started taking the live stream more seriously, we upgraded, got some microphones. Every co-host and host has a microphone now, so check that out. But let's go back on the studio. Oh, one more thing. This right here is our sounds. Check out our sounds that we use on our live stream. We mostly use the air horn and applause. Alright, so here we got two screens for displays. We got this huge TV, then we have another TV that we both use for monitors for when we're live streaming and doing other work at the studio. Let's check out the wall. We have our neon flame skateboard. Some people were able to get this if it didn't sell out. So shout out to the people who already got this. If you don't have it, I'm sorry, it's gone forever. And let's move up a little more. Awesome flag banner that we sell on our website. It might be sold out. I don't know. Go check it out. We got some other artwork as well. Some graffiti, some screen prints. Over here is our other light that we use for our live stream. Got to get everything well lit as always. Right here, guys, is George, one of the original members of the WHADAFUNK Studio. If you watch our video from the 2021, you could see that George has been with us since the beginning. Shout out to George. Thank you so much, George, holding it down. Another flag banner. And right here is our display case where we showcase all of our products and do videos in front of. We want to build a display case. This is all hand built. We want to do a display case to showcase our products and somewhere we could do videos in front of, like a storefront kind of deal. This is all of our new products, guys. This is all of our new products. We make so much stuff and it's all for you. So let's keep going around. We got our WHADAFUNK logo up top of the display case. Beautiful right there. Many chairs. Let me point something out here. Many chairs at the WHADAFUNK Studio. So many chairs. There's about 17 chairs here. So if you need to take a seat, come through. This right here is our tapestry. All of our designs that were test prints, and instead of throwing them out, they ended up here on this awesome tapestry. I forget how many there is, but there's a video on YouTube of us making that as well. So right here, I'm gonna show you guys a secret real quick. Right here, guys, is some hand-drawn artwork. We're filming a video for this next, right after this one. So that's a little secret right there. These are pieces of artwork that we give to our channel members on our YouTube channel. Every month we do different artwork for all of our YouTube channel members. And we have our cutting machine over here where we cut vinyl, cut heat transfers, all that type of stuff like that. We have our sewing machine. We've seen many videos. This sewing machine has been in many WHADAFUNK videos. This is an essential piece to the brand. Sewn a lot of labels into shirts with that. A lot of hats, a lot of different things we've made with this sewing machine. It's been around since the beginning days. And right here is the Canon Pixma. This is how we make our transparencies, large format transparencies, all that type of stuff is done with this amazing printer. We made zines, we've made prints, posters, a lot of stuff with this printer. This printer is also a big essential piece. Before we get to that, I want to show you guys new WHADAFUNK. So this right here is actually my own piece, and I like to have my stuff in the package just like everybody else, and I want to open it up and get the full WHADAFUNK experience that you guys get as well. That's why I take it right from the package. Right over here, we have some legs and a half a body. This is like a Frankenstein mannequin. This is our board. I want to show this right here. This right here hasn't been written on at all because it's in the worst spot ever. We need to change that. Over here is another board of stuff. Random stuff. Some notes, some stuff we might need, some passwords. Don't look at the passwords. Blur out the passwords. Pictures of the crew, some hang tags from Zoomies. Shout out to Zoomies. Go to your local Zoomies, cop some WHADAFUNK there. If you don't know, now you know. Ask them about WHADAFUNK. And then just some artwork. This right here is a cool painting that I got when I went to Peru. This was a Peruvian artist. He's about 75 years old, selling this awesome painting. I gotta fix the frame, but selling this awesome painting. I had to buy it. It just spoke to me. I would have loved to buy more. We got our coffee machine. We have a microwave. We have a refrigerator. We got drinks. What do we got in here? Hold on. Let me see what we got in here. Let's do this. All right. We got some Fireball. We have a thing of ketchup. We have MREs for some reason. You never know. We have a coffee creamer. We got random hot dogs. A big thing of Nathan's. So if anybody needs a hot dog, pull up. We got you. We have a random thing of chili sauce. Chili lime hot sauce. I don't know, from the MREs. If you don't know why we have MREs, we did a live stream on MREs, tasting them. Let's move on over to what we actually use. Right here, heat press. Big essential tool. I'll tell you guys some secrets. If you watch our screen printing videos, then you will learn a lot of secrets of how we use this to help out and make your brand better. It makes our brand better, can make yours better too. Let's move on along here. This right here, clothing rack. You gotta have this when you have a clothing brand. We use this, move it around, stack clothes while we're printing, just keep things moving. Right here is our drawers with a bunch of different tools of the trade. We have heat transfers, fabric, infusible ink, vinyl. We have everything like that right in here. Fabrics ready to go. Make some custom stuff. You never know. And then here we have everything labeled nice. Everything labeled nice. Hang tags, hooks, business cards. We have a butter machine. I also have this 3D printed skull. I bought this at a flea market for like $10. It was cool. Then we have another skull. If you guys know about WHADAFUNK, there's skulls on everything. Some sunglasses. Someone left their sunglasses here. And that's what we got going on over here. Over here is our green screen. This is where we do our live streams. We keep it set up so we're ready to go and do a live stream every week. Let's check out the most important part that everyone is dying to see, the screen printing area. Let's go check it out. So this right here, guys, is our screen printing press. We just copped a new press, did a little upgrading at the studio, trying to do some more better things. And this is the press right here. We got a couple things already set up on here. We need to clean them up, get them all cleared out. But this is where we print everything. This is where we print everything you see. We do a bunch of tutorial videos of how we print our collections. And this right here is the press that we use. It's awesome. It's really great. It's really great and amazing. And we love to print for you guys all these awesome designs that are all limited edition. This right here is a flash dryer. So if you know about screen printing, you know that a flash dryer is something that you need while screen printing. This is our flash dryer. This is our platen. And we have a bunch of different platens for different things. Sleeves, crop tops, everything has its own platen. But I'll show you guys a screen real quick. This is one of the pieces out of our new collection. You could check it out right here. We were just finished printing it at the time. This is our winter collection. Let's show them some other stuff that we have around this area. We have some awesome transparencies from other pieces of artwork that we've made before, other designs that we've printed. We decided to make the area a little nicer. And on this side, we have some screens right here. It would be nice to keep all the screens, but we can't keep all the screens because there's just too many designs that we make. So guys, this is the WHADAFUNK Studios. This is where we make everything that you can buy, and all you guys are repping WHADAFUNK. This is actually where we made it. So I'm happy that you guys support the brand. I want to show you a little bit more behind the scenes, a little bit of a studio tour. If you guys have any questions about anything at the studio, any comments that you'd like to leave, feel free, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and always do your own thing. Peace!